Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix Play Store not working on Moto G37. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on apps. After click on apps, click on see all. Scroll down and click on Play Store. Click on Play Store and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache, Play Store app, go back to home screen, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so check your network. After check your network, go back to home screen, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix these problems, last solution is restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, will say phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.